I've been having the worst mental slump lately, and I have no idea why. I'm low-key on the verge of a mental breakdown, but I'm trying to keep it together because I have things to do. But honestly, I'm not even sure why I feel like this. Like, I just graduated college, so you would think I'm happy, but I think I'm just in like the back of my head, I'm kind of thinking, okay, well, I graduated with a degree in fashion, and there's not very many fashion jobs where I live. And so when I look for jobs, I'm kind of like, well, did I make the right choice? Did I study the right thing? So that's one of like the biggest thing. I also just quit my job a week ago, which I don't know why, because it was something that I really wanted to do, but I think it was just like the right job but the wrong timing. And I've had to do, like, I have 2 classes left to finish my degree. Like, it's a whole story with that, but I have 2 classes left to finish my degree, and I'm taking them this summer, and it's just like I'm so overwhelmed with those as well. And I just think that I need to take a break. I need to take a breather because I've cried like 4 times this week. I'm not sleeping well, I'm not eating well, I'm not taking care of myself. So I just need to take a night. Today is Sunday. I know it's June. I don't know what like the exact day, but it's Sunday. So I'm just gonna take the rest of the night. I'm gonna take a break. I'm going to do a self-care night and just, you know what, just relax. And so this is gonna be like a budget-friendly self-care night. Not that that's like the theme of this video, but I'm gonna just use whatever I have in my house because I'm too lazy to go out and find something more. But you know what, we can make this work. We can make do with what we've got. So the first thing we need to do, the first thing I'm gonna do is go take a shower. I don't know if you can see this, but it literally looks like a hurricane outside. Like, my window's getting so wet and the wind's blowing so hard. That's bright. Okay. I can't tell if I'm sideways or not because my tripod is going like that. So hopefully I'm not. So let me see. Okay, right there, I think. But I'm gonna do some eye masks because I don't have any face masks. So I'm just gonna do these little ones underneath my eyes, which hopefully they will help with the bags under my eyes and like the dark circles I have under them, because like I said earlier, I have not slept in days. So we need a little bit help. It's called Rejuvenating Eye Mask by this brand. I don't know where I got these from. I think I got them for like a present, like a birthday present or a Christmas present. So Let's try them out. Ew, they're so gooey. This is slimy. Wait, is it? Okay. And I think they go, I'm gonna drop it. Go like that. Oh, it feels so weird. I'm acting like I've never done this before. I'm acting like I've never put eye mask on before, but these ones just feel like extra slimy for some reason. And they're really slippery. Let's see. I don't know if I can get this one. Does it look okay? I think it looks all right. So, how long am I supposed to put these on for? For 5 minutes or longer if desired. So we might just do longer. But I think while I'll do that, while I'll do, I can't speak right now. While I do this, I'm going to journal because I haven't journaled in a few days, and it probably will help just to get like some things off of my mind. God. So I'm gonna go put this back on my eye. I'm gonna journal, and then I'm going to, I don't know, I think I'm gonna paint my nails tonight because I haven't painted my nails. As you can see, they probably don't look cute, but I haven't painted my nails in a while, and I kind of want something like summery. I might do like a pink. This is like the least interesting talking section of this whole video, so I'm gonna stop and just go do it. I finished painting my nails. I attempted to do a heart on that one. It could be better, but it's actually not that bad. Like, it's upside down. It's actually not that bad. And I just did the same thing on the other side. I just kind of layered, what is, like made a pattern, I guess. And I did light pink and baby pink on my nails. And then I used like this beige, it's like a tannish beige color, off-white, I don't know what you would call it, to do the heart, because I had white nail polish, but I was like, I think it's gonna be too bright. So I ended up doing this one, and I actually like it a lot better. So here's my nails. Now we have to clean my crystals.